Assalamualaikum and Salam Jatra to all my friends and to Madam Afa. Today, our group 4 want to represent our poster global warming. We cover chapter 4, the nature. Okay, what is global warming? Global warming is a term for the observation that used for the average temperature of the Earth climate system and it's related for the effect. Scientists also certain that 95% the global warming is caused by the increasing for the greenhouse gas and the human cause. Okay, we also stop. Within the Earth atmosphere, accumulating the greenhouse gas like water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and the last one is ozone. Okay, now I will show you the poster. Our poster. Okay, this is our poster. We also provide the information that our activities such as TR program, fashion show, mural painting, and the last one is talk. If you join us, we also provide the hamper for the first place, second place, and the third place. And for the fees, we also provide for the group and the person, 4 ringgit only. We're gonna do the program at Inasis TM Hall on 14 April 2020, and the time is at 8 a.m. and until 5 p.m. Okay, our poster also provide the contact, so you can contact this person, Shalwana and Inshira, if you want to get more information. Okay, my friends will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shalwana binti Zakaria and my matrix number 271106. Today I'm going to talk about the activity our group will be organizing to give people a better understanding of what global warming is and its impact on the environment. So this activity also intended to attract people to join our club. So the first of all, our activity is, given that the world has so much waste that cannot be disposed of like plastic, for example. We are looking to launch a 3R campaign that is reuse, reduce, and recycle. The program can have a positive impact on the sustainability of the world as the unused goods are recycled. So this way, such a plastic bottle, and also the makeup and paper and paper will be recycled into useful materials. So as you know, plastic take a million of years to completely destroy unless they are burned. So this all material, we can reduce the production of plastic materials in factories while reducing waste on the ground. So the next activity is a fashion show. The purpose of the activity is to show the public that waste materials such as plastic, paper, etc. can be used to make clothes. So with this, the amount of waste can be reduced. Alright, the last activity is a mural painting. This activity aims to show the dangers of global warming through painting. This will allow the public to see more clearly the adverse effects of global warming. For example, of drawing that can be made burning forests, dead animal, floods, and so on. So you can see clearly the image. I show you. Alright. So it's kind of interesting activity, right? Alright, last but not least, our activity is we are having talk on better we stop the global warming by Assistant Environment Health Environment Health Official Miss Nur Alia binti Muhammad Saidi. So the program aims to raise awareness of the dangers of global warming. So many people are unaware of the danger that are caused by global warming. And then among the worst are ice melting in the North and South poles. If the earth temperature get too hot, it will cause ice to melt and float in areas near the sea, such as Japan, Indonesia, and Portugal. So increase the water levels will drown the islands and endanger human lives. In addition, the forest also burns due to extremely high temperatures. For example, like what happened in Australia recently. Furthermore, animals will also be threatened, but with extinction, threatened with extinction. Animals also living in pools will suffer extinction as their habitat is destroyed by ice melting. So this will cause animals such as ice bear, penguin, sea lions, and others to die. With this program, we are able to expose the public to the danger of global warming. So that's all from me. That's all from me. So there's a many activity interesting, right? So what you waiting for? So let's come join our club.
My name is Noatka binti Makasan. My metric number is 270730. Today I will talk about the process of global warming. As can be seen there, it is the tree that we try to talk to you the process of the global warming. Before this, we will talk to you the program of how to prevent global warming. Now, the process of global warming. First is the burning fossil fuels. Second, deforestation trees of the climate change. And the third is the agriculture and farming. Burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are hydrocarbon, primarily coal, fuel oil, and natural gas, formed from the remains of dead plants and the remains of the burning of fossil fuels by human. Fossil fuels by human is the largest source of emissions of carbon dioxide, which is one of the greenhouse gases that allow radioactive process and contribute to global warming. The secondly is the deforestation tree of the climate change. As can you know, in Malaysia we know the but if people burn the trees without any permission, it can be an illegal activity. Forests store large amount of carbon. Trees and other plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as they grow. It is converted into carbon and stored in the plant branches, leaf, trunks, root, and in the soil. By contrast, carbon stored underground in the form oil and gas is much more stable and is part of much lower carbon cycle. Without the influence of human burning these fossil fuels for energy, it had to make a global warming happen. For the simple word, if you burn the tree and the forest in the wrong way, it will be a global warming and it can be impact for the plants and the animal. And thirdly is the agriculture and the farming. The people who is in industry of agriculture or the farmer. Farming is growing crops of keeping animals by people for food and raw materials. Farming is a part of agriculture. People probably start agriculture slowly by planting. but the combination of advancing climate change and already industrial system is a perfect storm. But farmers face many obstacles to change practice, so it's critical that policymakers shift federal agriculture investment to support and this transition. So that's all of the causes of the global warming. I hope you understand and help our Earth before the global warming happen. So guys, what do you think about our program? If you know the causes of the global warming now, I tell you, why you waiting for? Just join to our program.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Norisha Abdul Majid. My metric number is 269691. Okay, today I will present to you guys about how can we stop the global warming. So everyone believes that global warming is the major challenge in our society right now because there is very little doubt that global warming will change our society in the next century. So what should we do to prevent global warming? Okay, global warming. There are many ways to prevent or slow down the causes of global warming. Slow down the effect of global warming. There are many simple ways that you can take and then do in your house. You don't need to go camping if you don't have time. Some people this is so busy with their daily life. Maybe they are students, they work at office and so on. So you just have to take action from your house to prevent global warming. Number one, what we can take to stop global warming is reduce water waste. Why does water waste also help us to reduce carbon pollution? It takes a lot of energy to heat the water, to pump the water and to treat the water that you use daily. As you know, every single day we use the water from tree. Okay? And also the same water being supplied to your office, your school or to your house. So to treat all the water or the clean water, it takes energy that also cause carbon pollution that connected to global warming. So I suggest to you guys to start slow down using water, such as take a shorter shower or tap off your water while you brush your teeth and change your hair and everything and so on. So it can help prevent global warming. Number two is pull the plug. Why pull the plug is important to prevent global warming? Why? Because every single plug that already been used and left on the socket or left in the socket still supply the energy. That's mean, or the other meaning is because electric device use energy even when you did not charging it. So if you left the plug something like phone charger phone and the plug is still running the energy even though you did not put your phone on. So that means if you using a plug without unplugging it will cause the global warming because it's still running on the electronics. It's still running electronics on that. So don't leave a fully charged device plugged into your home's outlet or socket. Unplug rarely used device is important. It also will help you reduce the bill. Number 3 is reduce vehicle usage. Why I said so? Because there are many people own his own car. Why? Because they also already works. They already have own money to buy a car. So they start to choose using a car to go to their school, to go to their office or do shopping. This will cause the pollution and will go to the global warming. What we can do is try to use a lot of public transportation such as taxi, Grab or that's all from me. 3 simple ways to do at your home to prevent global warming and save the world.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Anissa Shamsuddin. My metric number is 272733. Now, I will continue this poster presentation with my part, which is the effects of global warming. In order to persuade many people to join our program, here we provide the consequences of global warming so that they know how important it is to join our program. Let me start with the first point, which is global warming can lead to the melting glaciers. For your information, glaciers are the dense body of ice that has been formed where the accumulation of snow exceeds its ablation over many years. It can be found in the western United States, Alaska, and many other parts in the world. From this point, what I want to highlight is, if the temperature keep rising up day to day, the glaciers will continue to melt and some would completely disappear. This will have a direct impact on those who living in low-lying area due to the rising of sea level. Secondly, the forest, farm, cities will cause troublesome of global warming. One of the impact that always we heard is wildfires, as what has happened in the western of the United States. In this case, research shows that changes in climate that creates warmer, dry conditions, increased droughts and a longer fire season are boosting these increases in wildfire risk. When all this happens, it will destroy our ecosystem such as animal, plant, forests, and so on. So from this point, we can also see that all people need to be aware of the importance of global warming. This is seriously not a joke anymore. In addition, this global warming will destroy our nature's habitat, such as plant and animal. Their lives are always depends on intricate ecosystem, and even just a small changes in climate can disrupt the delicate balance of nature. As humans, we also rely on the natural environment, such as the food we eat, like this, then the clothes we wear, the water we drink, and so on. So I think we cannot let this just happen and the global warming become more stronger, and at the same time we just mind our own busy life. Because in this world, we depend on each other. For example, as a human, we eat animal. Like, what I'm trying to say is we eat meat, beef, chicken, fish, and others, and also vegetables. So I think this is one of the reasons that you cannot say no to our program. In conclusion, I want to tell you guys something. We have to always think about future because we cannot predict what will happen in the future. As the saying goes, it is no use crying over spilled milk. It means when it is too late, there are nothing that you can do with it. So, by participating in our program, hand in hand, we can prevent the global warming earlier. So, what are you waiting for? Come and grab the chance. There are a lot of activities that we prepared for you guys to let you enjoy this program. This chance will not come to you guys twice. So in this opportunity, we want to share maximum input as we can because we believe on this principle, which is we care, we share. We care for you guys, so why not you join us? Because together we stop global warming.